This was the first setup I tried to construct. This works with water replacement method. Gas comes here. When the gas comes, water was pushed from here, and the water level here would have risen. When it reached to water level sensor, it would trigger the system to release the gas which was collected here. At the end of this pipe there would be a three-way solenoid valve. One goes to exhaust, one comes from the reactor. The problem was here the sensor was not shutting down when the water level was down, because there were some water remaining here. It could have been solved eventually, but the more difficult problem was air leakage. The system was leaking air here and also from here to solenoid valve. There was a significant pressure dropout, which can be seen by naked eye. That's why I tried to give up this system, because I thought that if I would be able to solve the air leakage problem, it would be easier with the pressure sensor. This is a pressure sensor. Okay, those are the three-way solenoid valves. Those gave another problem. In those systems, the principle is like that. This is a three-way solenoid valve. Here gas comes. When it is not energized, there is the pressure sensor here. Gas is collected here. When it is not energized, here is closed, and this line is open. So the gas will be collected here. There will be a pressure buildup, and the pressure reaches to a certain level. System will be energized. When it is energized, this line will be cut off, this line will be open, so the pressure buildup here will be released. There will be a exhaust gas release from here. The problem with the three-way valves is between those turn on, turn off actions, there will be a short time. There is a short time, about 50 milliseconds, in which all three ways are open at the same time. All the gates are open at the same time. And this short time turns out to be enough for significant gas loss, which cannot be counted. There will be a direct gas leakage from here to here. That's why I turn my face to two solenoid valve system. In this system, gas is coming from here. There is a separate two-way solenoid valve, which is normally open. The other one is normally closed. When the gas comes, pressure builds up within those pipes, and it cannot leak from here because this is normally closed. And there is a pressure sensor here, and this is controlled by an Arduino unit. When the pressure buildup reaches to a predefined level, the system first shuts this gate down. It's energized and it's closed. Then after that, after 1 second of closure of this valve will become open. So the build-up gas here will be exhausted. After about 5 seconds, in order to let the system stabilize, release the exhaust gas, this valve will be closed. After this is closed, this will be open, so another cycle will begin. And Arduino needs to send a message to computer to collect the data, collect the information that this counter is released for one time. So far, I have managed all the electronic systems and the programming within the Arduino card and the communication with the computer. Arduino's communication with the computer is established. I have previously made some programs. One program which gets information from Arduino and prints it out into an Excel file. So these parts are well done. All the electronics is working. The pressure sensor was very difficult at the beginning, but I have solved it, so it's working very well. The only problem is within those parts, the gas leakage still exists. I couldn't manage to make it totally airtight, but it is manageable. I was planning to cover the pipes with silicone, but I used the silicone in a wrong way. I need to order new silicone to be able to do that. That's why I stopped here. But I won't need those silicones because I have talked with a company, SMS Torque, a Turkish company. They will construct me a special order solenoid valve. This is the base of the solenoid valve. Base is here. This is the electrical control parts. Those are the electronic control parts. On top of this, there will be two electronic control. One is here, one is here. Gas will come here. The pressure will be built up in this region. There will be a port here for pressure sensor, and when the pressure level is reached to the predetermined level, this gate will be closed, then this gate will be open, so there will be an exhaust from here, which allows the pressure level will be equalized with the atmospheric pressure. After it is equalized with the atmospheric pressure, this will be turned off again, this will be turned on, and it will be ready for a second next gas collection and release period. So this system will allow us to get rid of the pressure buildup problem. Gas leakage problem. System will be much easier to airtight. That's it. That's all of what I have accomplished so far. For the next term, I'm writing an TÜBİTAK Hızlı Destek project, which is about to be finished. I will submit it when I get the grant. I will order those solenoid valve systems, with which I will easily and shortly construct gas counters. After that, I will be able to go further, and I will build up my reactor system, which is much easier, of course. and I'm hoping within the next 6 months I will be able to start actual experiments.